Are you in search of the top 3D scanning services in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to meet all your scanning needs. With their cutting-edge technology and skilled professionals, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the go-to company for all things 3D scanning. Whether you're in the manufacturing industry, architecture, or even healthcare, their services are versatile and adaptable to any sector. When it comes to 3D scanning, precision is key, and Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands this better than anyone else. Their team of experts utilizes state-of-the-art equipment to capture even the smallest details with utmost accuracy. With their high-resolution scanners, they can create digital replicas of objects, allowing for easy replication or modification. Whether you need to scan a small component or an entire building, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. One of the standout features of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that every project is unique and requires personalized attention. That's why they take the time to understand your specific requirements and tailor their services accordingly. Their team of professionals will work closely with you throughout the entire scanning process, ensuring that your expectations are not only met but exceeded. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from its competitors is their extensive experience in the industry. With years of expertise under their belt, they have successfully completed numerous projects for clients across various sectors. Their portfolio speaks volumes about their capabilities and showcases their ability to deliver exceptional results consistently. So, if you're in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, and are in need of top-notch 3D scanning services, look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. Are you looking for the absolute best 3D scanning services in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to revolutionize your scanning experience. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has quickly become the go-to company for top-notch 3D scanning services in the Delhi NCR region. Why settle for anything less than the best when it comes to 3D scanning? Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is at the forefront of the industry, offering unparalleled accuracy, precision, and quality. Whether you need 3D scanning for industrial purposes, architectural designs, or even for medical applications, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. They have a team of highly skilled professionals who are dedicated to delivering exceptional results every single time. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your 3D scanning needs is their state-of-the-art equipment. They utilize the latest technology and cutting-edge scanners that are capable of capturing even the smallest details with utmost precision. This ensures that the final 3D scans are incredibly accurate